Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make pepper fry. 2 ts chana dal or split chickpea. 2 ts desiccated coconut powder. Grind to fine powder. Add oil. A third tsp cumin seeds or zira. A quarter tsp mustard seeds. A quarter tsp urad dal or split black gram. Chopped small onion. Few curry leaves. A quarter tsp turmeric. A half tsp ginger garlic paste. Cook a half cup each of different kinds of peppers. Three tsp chili powder. 3/4 tsp salt. Put in the ground powder. A third tsp coriander or cilantro powder. Few coriander or cilantro leaves. Pepper fry is ready. Thanks for watching.